In this video, we're doing a kitchen renovation. The cabinet maker was able to take the old cabinets and old counters since they were still in good shape. Demo's pretty much wrapped up. We got the old backsplash out. On this project, a big thing is changing the lighting plan from the old kitchen to the new kitchen. We have the new kitchen pretty much all taped out to see kind of where all the lights are going to be falling, so everything's even. We're going to be working on getting this lighting plan done first, and then once that's done, we're going to do all the drywall repairs and get this place painted. And then once the cabinets are all installed, we are going to be coming back and doing new backsplash and basically finishing everything up, finishing all the loose ends on this job. So we're excited for this job. We got demo already started, and we're going to get going on this electrical plan, so let's get to it.
So we just got the whole lighting plan done. We had to cut the ceiling up a little bit and then drill through the joists and run new wires, but it's all done. It's patched and painted too. It's looking really good. We still got some pendants to hang right here, but we're gonna take care of that a little bit later. What we got going on now is we're waiting for the cabinet guy to come install all his cabinets, and then the countertop guy will come and install some counters after that. So what we're gonna do while we're waiting for that is paint this whole entire first floor. It's getting a whole entire new paint job. And then after that, we're gonna be doing a backsplash and doing all the finishing touches in the kitchen, and then we'll show you guys the final product. So let's just get straight to work. we just got the whole project wrapped up. The cabinet guy came and did his thing, and the countertop people came to follow, and then we wrapped our job up. We went ahead and did a custom TV cabinet over here, and they also did a new mantle right here, and then some floating shelves on the side. Then the cabinet guy put built-ins on this wall leading down into the kitchen area. We went ahead and did all of our lights, got our lighting plan wrapped up, and finished up the painting job. We went ahead and painted everything green, then the doors black, matched the baseboard and the trim with the walls as well. Everything turned out really nice. The kitchen's really open now. The old design had a peninsula right here, which really closed off the spaces, but now it's like opened up a lot more. It feels bigger. We went ahead and did our backsplash and grouted it. Turned out really nice. These cabinets are super nice and high quality. They are custom built by the Amish, and the 3/4 inch plywood and soft closing drawers and everything. Check out this one. This one's really nice. All made from scratch by the Amish. The countertop people did a really nice quartz countertop with this huge island slab right here. We went ahead and connected all the appliances, got everything connected up, and this place is pretty much wrapped up now. There's spots right here for you to sit at underneath the island there. Floating shelves in the corner to match the other ones. This cabinet's supposed to kind of blend in and not look like the rest. And then these cabinets are supposed to match all the window trim everywhere. Yeah, that's gonna be a wrap on this job. Turned out really nice. The homeowner's super happy with the way everything turned out, and so are we. All the finishes are really nice. Feel free to like and subscribe, and also follow us on Instagram at Duo Dudes. We got a lot of things coming up, so stay tuned, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.